to a brand new video. And today we are finally, guys, finally, you know, at the time I was filming this video, it's nighttime right now. But yeah, guys, we about to head on over to the dealership, get ourselves a brand key. Kiki, stop!
What's up, guys? Hello.
We're going to the dealership. You know, Kiki's in the car, but not really, since I'm helping her, but not really, because he won't join, because you know what, but anyways, not gonna get into that, but we are going to the dealership right now to pick up the brand new car, you know what I mean, bro? You know what I mean? So yeah. So we're going right now to pick up the car from the dealership. You know, this car is gonna stay with us. This car is gonna stay with us too, you know what I mean? But we are gonna have so we are going to So we are gonna go inside the dealership, and I'm gonna show you guys this brand new car, like, bro, like, I'm gonna show you guys this brand new car, like, it's not even funny, like, bro, like, this brand new car, anyways, the brand new car, I'm gonna show you, act like I'm rolling, you guys, act like I'm rolling, okay, you guys? And so, we are going inside the dealership, and we are going to take a look at the brand new car. So, first person view, and we're gonna negotiate a deal on it, and yeah, hopefully I'll get it tonight, right? Like, cause I want the car so bad right now. Like, oh my god, look at the car, you guys. No joke, this car gonna be fast by the time it's done with me, bro. Like, oh my god, look at it, bro. Like, there's a lot of stuff I'm gonna do to the cars. Stop getting me demonetized! Guys, stop. I'm sorry for yelling, whoever. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna do a lot to this car. Underglow wrap is coming soon. Wrap is coming soon for this car. You know what I mean? New wheels. You know what I mean? Gotta get the new wheels on this motherfucker. Like, bro, like, yes, this is the new car. I'm gonna ask the owner if I could take it for a test drive first before we negotiate a deal out. So yeah, let me go ask the owner. Hey, can I take it for a drive? Sure. Yeah. Here's the keys. Dang. So guys, we're going to take this thing for a spin. Ooh, look at that this is gonna be hard. This is gonna go way up. I'm trying to get a video out to you guys. One of these days I have to make a drive. Guys, look at this car. This car is so So we negotiate a deal with the people, and they said, yes, that works. So we can go and we can have the car, baby. The channel's going way up. But anyway, you guys, that's it for the channel. I'll be, bro, get out of the way. Get out of the way. I swear to God, people in Greenville. I swear to God, people in Greenville. But anyway, you guys, that's gonna be the car, the new car. Hold up, let me get a thumbnail real quick. So I can do this. Anyway, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe for new to the channel. Other than that, it has been your boy Hellcat_Killer, and I'm out. Peace.